Job English quiz. Which sentence is correct? A. The team are winning. B. The team is winning. C. The team were winning. D. The team are wins. Team is a collective noun and is treated as singular, so the correct verb is. Job English quiz. Which word is the opposite of artificial? A. Genuine. B. Synthetic. C. Fake. D. Unreal. Genuine is the opposite of artificial, which means something natural or real. Job English quiz. The committee dashed the proposal before making a decision. A. Discussed. B. Discuss. C. Discussing. D. Discusses. The sentence requires a past tense verb, so discussed is correct. Job English quiz. Identify the correct tense. She dashed to the gym every day. A. Goes. B. Go. C. Went. D. Gone. The sentence is in present tense, so goes is the correct form. Job English quiz. Choose the correct word. Please take the right dash to the station. A. Wrote. B. Route. C. Route. D. Right. Route refers to the path taken to reach a destination. Job English quiz. What does the phrase, break the ice, mean? A. To start a conversation. B. To break something. C. To feel cold. D. To be in a hurry. Break the ice means to initiate conversation in a social setting. Job English quiz. Choose the correct pronoun. Each of the students must bring dash own lunch. A. Their. B. His. C. Her. D. His or her. Each is singular, so the correct pronoun is his or her. Job English quiz. Which word is closest in meaning to obsolete? A. Current. B. Outdated. C. Modern. D. Latest. Obsolete means no longer in use, hence the synonym is outdated. Job English quiz. Which sentence has correct punctuation? A. I can't wait, said John. B. I can't wait, said John. C. I can't wait, said John. D. I can't wait, said John. The comma should be inside the quotation marks when attributing dialogue. Job English quiz. Which word best completes the sentence? The report was dashed by all team members. A. Approved. B. Approved of. C. Approved to. D. Approving. Approved is the correct verb to indicate agreement with the report. Job English quiz. Fill in the blank. She is good dash playing the piano. A. At. B. In. C. On. D. For. The correct preposition is at when referring to being good at a skill. Job English quiz. Choose the opposite of generous. A. Kind. B. Stingy. C. Helpful. D. Friendly. Stingy is the opposite of generous, meaning unwilling to give. Job English quiz. Which sentence is correct? A. She has a unique talent. B. She has an unique talent. C. She has the unique talent. D. She has unique talent. A is the correct article because unique starts with a consonant sound. Job English quiz. Find the era. They was going to the market when it started raining. A. They. B. Was. C. Going. D. When. The subject, they, is plural, so the correct verb form should be wa. Job English quiz. Which word fits the sentence? The sailor tied the dash to the dock. A. Sail. B. Sail. C. Tail. D. Tail. Sail refers to a part of a boat, fitting the context of the sentence. Job English quiz. Choose the correct conjunction. I was tired, dash I went to bed early. A. But. B. Or. C. So. D. For. So is the correct conjunction, indicating the reason for going to bed early. Job English quiz. Which word is closest in meaning to mandatory? A. Optional. B. Compulsory. C. Voluntary. D. Suggested. Mandatory means required by law or rules, making compulsory the synonym. Job English quiz. Which sentence is punctuated correctly? A. She asked, can I have some water? B. She asked, can I have some water? C. She asked, can I have some water? D. She asked, can I have some water? The question mark should be inside the quotation marks. Job English quiz. Which sentence is correct? A. Running quickly, the dog was. B. The dog running quickly was. C. The dog was running quickly. D. Quickly the dog. The sentence follows a correct subject-verb-object structure. Job English quiz. Which word is the opposite of hostile? A. Friendly. B. Aggressive. C. Unfriendly. D. Warm. Friendly is the opposite of hostile, which means unfriendly or antagonistic. Job English quiz. Which sentence uses the correct form of the adjective? A. She is more prettier than her sister. B. She is prettier than her sister. C. She is prettiest than her sister. D. She is most pretty than her sister. Prettier is the correct comparative form of the adjective pretty. Job English quiz. Which sentence uses the correct conjunction? A. She is smart but also lazy. B. She is smart, yet also lazy. C. She is smart or lazy. D. She is smart but lazy. But is the correct conjunction to contrast smart and lazy. Job English quiz. Choose the correct adverb. She sings dash. A. Beautiful. B. Beautifully. C. Beauty. D. Beautifulness. The correct adverb form is beautifully to describe how she sings. Job English quiz. Which word is closest in meaning to amiable? A. Hostile. B. Friendly. C. Rude. D. Cold. Amiable means having a pleasant and friendly disposition, so the synonym is friendly. Job English quiz. Which sentence is parallel in structure? A. She likes reading, cooking, and to run. B. She likes to read, cooking, and running. C. She likes reading, cooking, and running. D. She likes reading, to cook, and running. The activities listed are in the same gerund form, making the structure parallel. Job English quiz. Fill in the blank. He is not only smart dash very hardworking. A. Or. B. And. C. But also. D. Yet. The correct correlative conjunction is not only, but also. Job English quiz. What is the opposite of prohibit? A. Allow. B. Forbid. C. Ban. D. Hinder. Allow is the opposite of prohibit, which means to formally forbid something. Job English quiz. Which sentence contains an independent clause? A. Although she was late. B. Because he was tired. C. When the show ended. D. She went home after the show. An independent clause can stand alone as a complete sentence, like, she went home after the show. Job English quiz. Choose the correct sentence. A. She is more taller than her brother. B. She is taller than her brother. C. She is tallest than her brother. D. She is as taller as her brother. Taller is the correct comparative form when comparing two people. Job English quiz. Choose the correct sentence. A. None of the team members has arrived. B. None of the team members have arrived. C. None of the team member has arrived. D. None of the team member have arrived. None of the team members is treated as singular, so has is the correct verb form.